Hi guys, today we are going to do another slime review and we are going to review store-bought slimes. You can find these slimes like in any market, probably Target or Walmart or maybe even on Amazon. And these slimes are a little bit cheaper and we're going to start with this one. So I struggled a little bit and I just cut a little tear. So you can get the plastic off. It's like a cool milkshake, and the outside actually looks really pretty. And it says it's scented, is smooth, buttery, slimy. Oh, in the lid we have like little toppings or add-ons. We have some silver glitter, and then we have little like friendship making beads almost. And then we need scissors again. This one's definitely not the easiest to open. Whoa. I smell it already. It smells kind of like, just kind of fake, cheap smell, but it's like sweet almost. And right off the bat, the colors are so pretty. But when you mix it, I think it might just be a brown, but it doesn't really feel like slime to me. It kind of just feels a bit more like a clay. It's beautiful though. Whoa, this one's not that easy to drizzle, which is okay. Scissors again. I don't know if I'm just bad at opening things or something else, but we're not gonna add the whole bag because that's a lot of glitter. Oh, I forgot to add the beads. Why does this always happen to me? But whatever. We're just gonna try and like fold them into the slime more than outwards. I mean, it's like, I feel like it's high quality clay, not high quality slime. But this one is cheaper and it's like kind of easier to buy. Like you can buy it more in person. And at the beginning, the color was very pretty. Like it was really pretty. But now it's kind of just like a Shrek green or like a booger green or like a grass green or like a fart green. I mean, it's definitely not slime, I don't think. I think it's like maybe 10% slime, 90% clay. But it's for sure like super soft and nice clay. So if you want some clay, I recommend this. But if you want some slime, I'd maybe try something else. Let's move on to the next. This one I'm actually pretty excited for some reason, but it's $5 and I'm sure you could just buy it at a store somewhere like Amazon. It's not my favorite to open, that's for sure. I hate it when packaging does that. I'm like trying to get a good angle. I think we got one. Oh, I lied. More scissors, more scissors. Let's see if we got it. Struggle is real, guys. I like how they have a protector so when like you open it, it doesn't just come flying out. But let's see our slime. It's ice cream fluff, strawberries and cream. Ugh, I think it might just be clay. Oh, it's not slime. Oh, it smells like a Baskin Robbins, but like with strawberries. It smells amazing. The slime is cold. I love the cold, so I'm loving that. The color is so beautiful. It's like such a nice, vibrant pink. There's cardboard in the way. Looks just like bubble gum. This is actually really nice. I just don't like how you don't get that much of it. But it is a really cool slime. Let's do some add-ins. I'm gonna do here, let's just add some more. We're gonna do some slime. Some slime. We already have some slime. We're gonna do some with some sprinkles and some foam balls. Okay, and then sprinkles. We'll take that foam ball and add it into there. Whoa, the sprinkles actually feel like super nice. It gives it like a weird consistency, but good. Foam balls have never really been my favorite add-in, but it's not bad. And then let's see, our strawberries. These are just like styrofoam. I don't think that's the best for slime, so we'll just add one in. I think it would be cool if like the strawberries were like, what's it called? A jelly cube, or like maybe clay, but that's okay. It's overall not a bad slime, and for $5, I'd say that this is a win. It's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna add some more sprinkles. I got stuck to the cardboard, I think. It's okay though. But yeah, out of 10, I would probably rate this one maybe an 8. I'd recommend some more slime rather than more toppings. But yeah, overall, a really good slime. Let's go on to the last slime. And last but not least, especially in size, we have the Compound King. Oh, here's the little flap. I am so done with plastic today, guys. Like, actually, it's kind of bugging me. Let's see. Ugh, I can't get it. Why is plastic hating me? Okay, there we go. So we get these mini little foam balls, sprinkles, bigger foam balls, and these things. Oh. Okay, there we go. And then we got a little mystery charm, I think. Oh, we got it's a bingsu. Oh, the crumbles, butter, fizzy butter, whipped bingsu, thunderclouds. Collect them all, over 30. Nicole Jacqueline, neon bingsu, neon fluffy clouds, and squish jumps. We got a bus. That's kind of random, but we got a bus for our slime. I don't see mine. I don't know. Oh, mine was right there. Neon fluffy clouds. So you get 4 colors of slime. They're all individually wrapped, so they don't like mix, I think. We're gonna open pink first. Whoa. Hand has like a bunch of residue on it, but it's almost like they try to do a snow fizz, except like I don't really know what this is. It smells kind of good though. We're gonna take our trusty activator. This one didn't come with any, so we just used some of our own, but some people might not have their own activator, which is why they should either make sure their slimes don't get sticky, which is kind of impossible, or give an activator. It feels like the activator kind of helped it. 0 stretch. It's really nice though to like just like squish, like boom, 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 had a bad day. But you can't really do anything else with it, and it's low-key making a mess. I think I'm gonna add miniature foam balls to this one. We're gonna make a little hole so like it doesn't go everywhere. Oh, I think we added like way too many, guys. That's okay, right guys? I feel like it's so staticky. Yeah, I don't really think that changed anything except for looks. Maybe it looks cooler. I don't know. Well, let's open the next one. We're gonna open up the green. I don't know if I'm crazy, but it smells different to me. Yeah, it smells like more earthy and fresh. This one kind of feels a bit more activated. But we're gonna add the big foam balls this time. Let's make a dent. Okay. Fold it in. Don't fall, please. More mess to clean up. This one's the same, but let's go on to another color. Let's see how this one smells. I don't know how to describe it. Almost like an ocean in a weird way. But for purple, I think I'm gonna add sprinkles and the bus charm. Don't really know why I have a bus, but we got a bus. So, guys, we're proud to have a bus charm. It's not coming out. Okay, there we go. We got all the sprinkles out. And our groovy bus charm. Again, same thing, just different scents, which is nice. Not the best texture, but let's go on to the last color. This one smells like kind of like the purple, but smells like mint. I really don't like mint, but this one's kind of more like a peppermint, and it actually smells really good. Then we have this. I don't really know what it is, but I've seen them before in other slimes. Usually glossy slimes, and these ones are more like snow fizz. I don't really think that they add that much texture, especially because it's like a snow fizz. But now we're gonna mix all 4 slimes. So, got our green, and then we got, trying to get them out of the bin, but our purple and pinks. This is gonna be an arm workout right here. What color do you guys think it's gonna turn? I think it might be more like a gray. I don't know, something's just telling me it's gonna be a gray. I'll be back when it's more mixed. So I've been mixing and mixing and mixing, and so far it's kind of just like a gray, like green. And yeah, let me know what you guys thought it was gonna be, because I think it's just gonna end up being a gray. So I'm just gonna really stop mixing right here because I'm getting pretty tired. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And thank you so much for watching. And let me know, do you think that it was worth it, or would you rather buy more designer-ish bougie slimes, or just store-bought? Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Bye.